Hi all, welcome to the Tower of Ruin, and I just got some more cases from TheCapn. These are left over from some other projects. This one originally was a motherboard swap from a friend. This is his old board. The original one that he now has is gone. And same for that one came empty, but this one still has its motherboard. We'll do something with that probably in the future. Let me show you the other projects I've been working on. This one here is what I've been working on for Mother's Day. It's essentially a replica of my mom's old computer. And this is the original hard drive that came with it. Apparently a replacement hard drive that came with it. And I've been trying the TF card / SD card solution, and it's not working out very well. I can install Windows, boot it, and then the next time I power it off and turn it back on, it behaves as if it's a fresh new hard drive. And there's no real write protect switch on it. I haven't really been able to figure out why it's doing that. But it works just fine in every other machine I have. It's this one that's a complete pain in the ass. So, I'm waiting on some CF cards and a disc on module. We'll give that a go, because I've not been able to find any one of these that are still at a decent price. Next thing coming up, I started filming this, but I need to edit out my breathing. I was assembling this XT here. This is an NuXT mounted inside this new case. Completely unnecessary. In fact, the only add-on card I have in there is my 8-bit Pro Media card. And then, as if I'm not awash in old Pentium 1s and similar era, I overpaid for this case here. And then I have a motherboard with another box full of goodies for it. So that's what I'm going to be working on. You'll see this coming out in the next few days on the channel. Till then, have a great day.